Hi, this is Rigo with Ready Set Repurpose, and today I will show you how I made this Game of Thrones fan art by transferring this image onto wood. So the basic materials you will need are the image, Mod Podge, a brush, and a piece of wood to put it onto. Make sure to cover the image thoroughly. That will help with the transfer. I've had issues in the past when I didn't put enough Mod Podge and part of the image got stuck or didn't come through. So you also put Mod Podge on the piece of wood and be generous with your application. Just apply a little extra. Better to be safe than sorry. Now I line it up and make sure that it's even. Make sure to use a flat object to scrape out any bubbles and push out any extra glue. So I like to wait 24 hours to let it dry before I start removing the paper. And I'm working with just a bowl of water and a sponge. I make sure to soak it thoroughly, but very lightly. And I work around with the sponge and my finger. And there's no need to rush. I'm slow and steady. The cool thing about it is you start seeing the image coming out. And I do multiple sessions, so this is one session, let it dry out again, and you'll see it whitening in certain areas where you didn't remove all the paper, and you work it again. And now it's time for the lettering. You get the Cricut Machine, line it up, feed the machine, and let it do its work. After the machine is done, time to weed. I like to work from the outside in. And once the image is ready, get a piece of sticky vinyl, pull out the bubbles, peel the backing. It may get stuck, so just make sure you push it back in and slowly peel the backing. Now it's time to apply. So I sized the lettering before I printed it out, so I knew exactly it would fit in perfectly. This looks like a good spot. Center it, and same thing, move any bubbles out of there. Now you can pull out the vinyl tape. There you go. Just saw some little pieces that I needed to line up. And there you go. I actually painted the background. I didn't like the way it looked, and so I ended up painting it, but it looks good to me. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and click the notification bell to stay up to date with future DIY videos. And make sure to comment. We'd like to know any ideas and projects you work on. Thank you so much.